Hello. Today today's chapter is relation. Now I am going to explain relation. What is relation? Relation relation between two set A and B. Relation is a special type of subset of Cartesian product. Now, for example, A and B. Suppose A and B be two non-empty set. Let A and B be two non-empty set. Then a relation R. A relation R from a set A, from a set A to a set B, to a set B is a subset, of the Cartesian product of sets A and B. It means relation is subset of Cartesian product of any two sets. Now I have taken here set A and B, both are non-empty. Then this R is relation. This R is subset of A cross B. Mathematically we say A cross B. A cross B means Cartesian product of A and B. Now I'll give one example of this A and B. If set A contains three elements 1, 2, 3, and B, another set B contains three elements, another set 1, 4, 9. Now set A and set B. First of all, we have to find cross product of set A and B, that is A cross B. Now A cross B, we will find order pair. A cross B also a set of order pair. Now how to find A cross B? Set A elements 1, 2, 3, set B elements 1, 4, 9. Now this one takes elements of set B 1 also, 4 also, 9 also. One order pair 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 9. One takes 1, 4, 9 of set B. 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 9 order pair. Similarly, again 2, 2, 1 another order pair, 2, 4 another order pair, 2, 9 order pair. Now just like that we can find with 3 also. 3 takes 1, 3, 1, 3, 4 and 3, 9. Now in this way, first of all we have to find A cross B. A cross B, I have taken one example of A and B. I found set A cross B. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 order pairs are there. Now in this A cross B, 1, 1, one element, 1, 4 another order pair. This is also element of set A cross B. This itself a set. Now and this one we can show, this A cross B you can show in the diagram also. This 1 has relation with 1 also, 4 also, 9 also. 1, 1, 1, 4, 1, 9. Similarly 2 also. 2, 1, 2, 4, 2, 9. Similarly 3, 3, 1, 3, 4, 3, 9. Now in this way also we can show A cross B. In this A cross B, first set, this set, first one which is written at the first, this set is called set of domain. This set is called domain, and set B, this set B is known as codomain. Codomain. Now after finding this Cartesian product of set A and B, now we'll study what type of relation they have. In each order pair, this 1 and 1, 1. 1, 1 means this one is domain, its image is 1. This one domain, its image is 4. This one domain, its image is 9. Similarly, 2 has image 1, 2 also has image 4, 2 also image 9. Now 3 also has image 1, 4, 9. It means this 1, 4, 9 are image of 1 also, image of 2 also, image of 3 also. Now this total set 1, 4, 9, that is set of codomain. Inside codomain we have to find image or range. Now this one is Cartesian product. Now from here, from this 9 order pair, now I'll take one example of relation to define relation now, which is subset. Now from here we have to make another set which is known as relation. Now one example, suppose question find a relation, that relation I'll write R1. Now we have to find a relation R1 from here, from A cross B. Now this R1 I'll define here. R1 is set of order pair XY such that X is greater than Y. Now I have taken one relation, this. We have to find this relation from this A cross B. Now in this relation we have to take the order pair of XY. Now what type of order pair? We cannot take this all order pair, because this all order pair of A cross B does not satisfy this condition. Here is condition. We have to take only that type of order pair which has X coordinate greater than Y. X coordinate greater than Y coordinate. It means first element should be greater. Now here is 1, 1. This 1, 1, this does not satisfy that relation, because here is 1 and 1, they are equal. Now next one is 1, 4. In this 1, 4, first one is domain is represented by X. Second element of order pair represented by Y. Then here is 1, 4. 1, 4, X is smaller, but we need X greater. This also we cannot take. 1, 9. In this order pair 1, 9, 1 is X domain. It is smaller than this 9. 9 means Y. That's why this 1, 9 also we cannot take. Similarly, another order pair here is 2, 1. Now in this 2, 1, X is 2, Y is 1. That's why X is greater than Y. 2 is greater than 1. That's why this 2, 1, this order pair 2, 1 satisfy the given condition. That's why in this relation one order pair, that is 2, 1, we can write here. This one order pair. Next one 2, 4. Here is 2 is smaller than 4. That's why we cannot take this 2, 9. X is smaller than Y. That is 2 is less than 9. 3, 1. Here is another one. 3, 1. 3, 1. This in this order pair 3 is X, 1 is Y, and our relation is X greater than Y. That's why this 3, 1 satisfy the given condition. That's why we can write 3, 1 another order pair. Now here is 3 and 4, another order pair 3, 4. This does not satisfy the condition. This 3, 9 also. Here is X smaller, Y greater. Now in this, out of this 9 order pair, this relation satisfy only these 2 order pair satisfy the given condition. That's why this one is, this R1 is means in this R1 only 2 order pair we found from here. Now this 2, 1 and 3, 1, we took these 2 order pair from this A cross B. Now this A cross B itself, it is also a set of order pair. Now this relation also set of order pair. It has only 2 order pair, and this order pair we took from this A cross B. That's why this R1 is there. What can we say? That this R1 is subset of A cross B. Now one example I gave for this A cross B. Now this one we can show in diagram also, mapping diagram like this. This one is R1, this one is set A, this one is set B. This R1 relation we have defined from set A to B. Now this I write here X, this Y. this X represents all the elements of set A, this Y represents all the elements of set B. This X has three elements, that they are 1, 2, 3, and Y, set Y, it has also three elements, they are 1, 4, and 9. This set A, it is known as domain. This one is codomain. Now we have to write this relation. We are going to show the diagram of this relation R1. In this R1, 2, 1. 2, 1, this 2 has image 1. Another one is 3 also has image 1. Now here is domain set 1, 2, 3. This one doesn't have image. Now this 2, image of 2, 1, image of 3 also 1. Now these 2 and 3 has same image 1, and this 1 is image of 2 also, 3 also. But what's about this 4 and 9? This 4 and 9, they don't allow. This total here is set. This total set is codomain. Now inside this codomain, only one has pre-image. This one is image of 2 and 3. That's why this image set not equal to codomain. It means set of image. Here is, now I have written here domain. This one is relation. Now for this relation 1, 2, 3, we can say domain of relation, and this total is codomain of relation, and this one is image of relation. We can say like that also. Now from this relation, I'll give another example also. Another example, I love this one. Now another, find R2. It means relation. I have given first R1. Now this one is find relation R2, set of order pair XY such that X is less than Y. Another. Now from here, from this A cross B, again we have to find this relation. Now how many order pairs are there? Now here is, we have to take X is smaller than Y. In this X was greater than Y, but here is X less than Y. Now from here we have to find they are equal. We cannot take this. Here is 1, 4. 1, 4, Y, 4 is Y, 1 is X. That's why 1, 4 also we can take. This set is this 1, 4 satisfy this relation. Now another one is 1, 9. 1, 9. This one 9 is Y. It is greater than X, 1. That's why this also comes. Another one is 2, 1. Here is 2. 2 means X. X is greater. 1 is less. This we cannot write. Now next one is 2, 4. 2, 4. In this 2, 4, 4 is Y, 2 is X. Now we have to take only those order pair which has Y coordinate greater than X. Now these three already we have taken. Now next one is 2, 9. 2, 9 also satisfy the given relation, this condition. Next one is 3, 1. In this 3, 1 order pair, 3x greater than Y. We cannot take this one. This 3, 4. Yes, this we can take. 3 is smaller than Y, 4. That's why 3, 4 also we can take. Next one is 3, 9. 3, 9. Now in this second relation R2 I have taken. Now this R2 contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 order pair. This 6 order pair also we took from A cross B. This is also part of this A cross B. Now these 6 order pairs are also here in A cross B. That's why this R2 also subset of A cross B, A cross B. Now this also relation, this also relation. Two example of two relation I have given here. Now both relation R1 also, R2 also I derived from A cross B. Just like this we can take different set also, and so many question R1, R2 only to so many question of relation we can take from here, we can make from here. Now these two are example. Now I'll show the diagram of this one. Now I draw this. After this I'll explain types of. Now in this R2 I'll show here. Okay. Now this one is set A, set B. I'll write here R2. This X represents all the elements of set A, 1, 2, 3, and this Y represents all the elements set B, 1. Actually not necessary to write this X and Y here. Just to make it clear, I have written 1, 4, 9. Now in this relation 1 has image 4, 1 has image 9 also, 2 has image 4, 2 has image 9 also, 3, 4 and 3 has image 9. Now this is R2. Now in this R2 also, this 1, 2, 3 we can say domain of R2, and this 1, 4, 4 and 9 image of R2, 1, 4, 9 codomain of R2 also we can say. Now inverse relation. Inverse relation means from B to A, B to A, from here to here. Now this one is R2. If you want to write R2 inverse, then just you have to interchange first coordinate, first and second you have to replace their position. 4, 1. Now okay, R2, and so R2 inverse, R2 inverse. Now here is 1, 4, it will be 4, 1. 1, 9, it will be 9, 1. 2, 4, it will be 4, 2. 2, 9, it will be 9, 2. 3, 4, it will be 4, 3. And 3, 9, it will be 9, 3. Now this is inverse relation of R2. Here also we can find inverse of R1. Okay, I write here R1 inverse equal to, just change their position. 2, 1 will be 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, 1 will be 1, 3. And in case of R2, you have to R2 inverse, you have to show diagram like this. R2 inverse, it means who has image 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. 1 also, who has image 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. 9 has image 1 also, 2 also, 3 also. Just reverse. Here also this one we can show like this, R1 inverse. Now in your question R2, this one is R2 relation. Now what are the domain of R2? Domain of R2 you have to write 1, 2, 3. You cannot repeat. What are the image of R2? Relation R2. In image 4, 9. 4, 9. And here is just opposite. What is the domain of R2 inverse? Domain of R2 inverse means 4 and 9. This will be domain, this will be image for this one. For R2, this one is domain, this one is image. For R2 inverse, this one will be domain, this one will be image. Here also for R1, this one will be domain, this one will be image, codomain. For inverse of R1, this one total will be domain, this one will be codomain, and R1 is domain, its image 2 and 3 for this one. Okay, now these all are the example of relation. Now next one is types of relation. Now this one, types of relation. There are three types of relation. One to one. It is also two types, onto and into. Onto and into relation. And next one is many to one. There is also two types, onto and into relation. Third one, one to many. It is also two types, onto, into relation. Now first of all you have to understand here, this first one represents domain, this second one is image. One to one means one domain has one image. Many to one means many domain will have same common image. One domain has so many images. This part is domain, this part is image. Again, one domain, one image. Meaning of this one is many domain, but they have same image, common image. One domain, but one domain has many images. This is the simple way to understand. Now onto and into. Now next one is onto and into. I'll first of all onto and into. First of all you have to understand the meaning of onto and into. Now I'll draw this one, onto and into. Now onto relation. If set of image is equal to set of its codomain, then the relation will be onto. Here is I written equal to, in place of equal to we can say improper subset of its codomain. Improper subset means equal. Now if image set is not equal, into. If set of image is not equal to its codomain, then the relation will be into. Now I'll explain this with example. Now this type, now I'll explain this with an example. Now three types of relation, each types again onto and into. One to one onto, one to one into. Many to one onto, many to one into. Now these are, now for example, onto and into. I'll take one just to make you clear. I'll show one example. Suppose there is set A, relation is here, B. Now I'll take here few elements. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this side I'll take A, B, C. Now in this case, here is this domain, set of domain, that is 1, 2, 3. and codomain. Codomain ABC. Now I have taken two sets, set A and set B. Now 1 to 1. Suppose this one has image 1 A, 2 has image B, 3 has image C. Now each domain has only one image. One image of 1 A, image of 2 B, image of 3 C. It means 1 to 1. One domain has one image. 1 to 1 meaning one domain, one image. Now this is 1 to 1. This one is 1 to 1 relation. This one is 1 to 1. Now 1 to 1. Now again this one is 1 to 1 relation. 1 to 1. Again which type? Onto or into? Now come to here. Onto means first of all you have to find its codomain is ABC. What is the set of image? Set of image also ABC. A also image, B also image, C also image. Now A is image of 1, B is image of 2, C is image of 3. That's why here codomain, set of codomain also ABC and set of image also ABC. Now codomain set and image set, they are equal. Codomain ABC, image also ABC, they are equal. It means equal means improper subset. Image is improper subset of its improper. We have to write equal sign down. Improper subset of codomain. Okay, I'll write set, name of the set C, codomain. They are equal. That's why this is 1 to 1 onto function. This is 1 to 1 onto function. This, if this image set is not equal to its codomain, at that condition this relation will be into, not onto. Now this one is example of onto function. Now again I'll say domain 1 to 3. 1 has image A, 2 has image B, 3 has image C. Now ABC are image, set of image, and this total set B, that is set of codomain. Codomain and image set, they are equal. That's why it is onto. Now one example, another into. Now I will write, suppose there is another elements D. Another elements D. Suppose there is in this set B, there is another element D. Now at that condition, what happens here? Codomain, set of codomain will be ABCD. Now in this codomain, 4 elements are there. A also, B also, C also, D also. Now in this ABCD, this total is ABCD set of codomain, but this ABC are image. A is image of 1, B is image of 2, C is image of 3. But this D doesn't have pre-image. That's why pre-image. Okay, pre-image means this. Try to understand. A means image of 1. Then 1 is called pre-image of A. B is image of 2, and this 2 is called pre-image of B. This C is called image of 3, and this 3 is called pre-image of C. Just like that, this D doesn't have pre-image here. That's why this is, here is now image and codomain set. Codomain ABCD. Codomain set contains 4 elements A, B, C, D. This total set is codomain. Now inside this codomain, only A, B, C are image. That's why set of image, that is A, B, C. Now this set of image is subset only subset. It is not equal set. It is only subset. Subset of its codomain means this. That's why it is 1 to 1 into relation. Now onto and into. Now 1 to 1, one domain, one image, but set of image not equal to codomain. That's why it is 1 to 1 into relation. Now similarly, now next example of number 2, many to 1. Now here is, in this condition, one domain has only one image, but here is many domain one image. Now many domain. Okay, I'll give example. Now one has image A. Suppose 2 also has image A. 3 has image B. Okay, let it be this. Only 2 I have taken. 1 and 2. Many to 1. 1 and 2. I showed only these 2 elements. 1 also has image A. 2 also has same image A. It means many domain, same image. Many to 1. This one is many to 1. This is many, example of many. Many to 1. And this is onto. This is onto because image, set of image also. Set of, right now codomain AB and set of image also AB. That's why they are equal. Codomain and image set equal. That's why it is many to 1. These 3, if this 3 also has this, again it will be many to 1. Many domain and image set, they are equal. I have given this sign. That's why it is many to 1. Many domain has same image, one image or same image, and it is onto. Why onto? Because codomain set and image set are equal. That's why it is many to 1 onto relation. Now same, many to 1 into relation. Now next one, many to 1 into relation. Now again, suppose there is C. Now I have added one more element. Suppose this set B contains another element, that is C. Now in this condition, set of codomain will be ABC, but set of image, this C is not image of any elements of domain. It means C doesn't have pre-image. And A is image of 1 and 2, B is image of 3. That's why set of image, only we have to write A and B. We cannot write this C because it doesn't have pre-image. That's why image, in set of image there will be only 2 elements A and B, but in set of codomain there are 3 elements A, B, C. Now in this case, this set of image is not equal to its codomain. That's why this is example of into function, into relation, many to 1 into relation. This is the example of many to 1 into relation, this. Now last one is one to many. What is the meaning of one to many? One domain has many images. That is, this one is domain, one domain, many image. Again there are 2 types. Now same, I'll make here same example. Suppose this 2 okay. Now 1 2, this one is exceptional case. Here what you have to understand here, when we make 1 has image C, 2 also has image C. Many to 1. This is many to 1. If you say this one is, if you remove this, now it will be many to many domain, same, sorry, 1 to many. I did mistake here. 1 to many. 3 has image B, 3 has image A also. Now 1 to many. 3, 1 domain, many image. You can show like this also. This 3 has image A also, B also, C also. Now this is relation 1 to many, and this is onto. This is onto relation 1 to many. This is onto relation. Now if you want to make it into, then suppose there is D. Now in this condition, 1 to many, this will be into. Now these are the example of 1 to many, onto, and into. Now sometimes in the relation we will find these two, both relation also we can find. For example, if there is this A has this, 2 also has this one. Now again onto, in this case there is two types of relation we will find. 1 and 2, one has image C, 2 has image A also, B also, and this 2 has image A also, 3 has image A also, and 1 has image C also, 3 has image C also. Many to 1 also, many to 1 also here in this relation, and 1 to many also here. Both type of relation we can find here. One in this condition, 1 many to 1. Many to means 1 and 3, sorry, 1 and 2, 1 has 1 and 3, 1 has image C, 3 also has image C. That's a 1 and 3. Many to 1, or you can take 2 and 3 also. 2 also image A, 3 also image A. 2 and 3. Many to 1 also here, and 1 to many also. 1 to many. This 2, 1 domain has many images, A also, B also. 3, 1 domain, it has many images, A also, B also, C also. That's why in this condition, 1 to many, not only 1 to many, it is many to 1 also here. That's why just these are the types of relation. Now in exercise we'll find the relation, find Cartesian product, and find the relation, solve that and show it in diagram also, and mention its types also from the book. Now few example as a homework practice I'll give here. Now homework: if A equals to 147 and set B equals to 238, find number 1 A cross B, number 2 find R1 order pair XY such that X is greater than Y, show it in diagram also and mention its types also. Number 3 R2 find the order pair XY such that Y greater than X. These two example, show it in diagram also, diagram with and diagram, and mention their types. And third one is take any two sets and show different types of sets. Take any two sets and give example of each types of relation. Each type of relation, onto also, into also. Now you have to make two example of this one, onto, into, two example of this one, onto, into, and two example of this one, onto, into. This example, there should be 6 example of this one, and this for your practice you can do. Okay, today this was. Now next chapter I'll explain for function. Okay, thank you.